How to use Amazon data to win on TikTok Shop. When it comes to growing your TikTok Shop, you don't need to guess what kind of content or offers will work. If you already sell on Amazon, you've got all the data you need sitting inside your Seller Central account. You just need to know how to use it. In this video, I'll be covering how to leverage your Amazon search term data, your reviews, and your coupon data to boost conversions on TikTok. Real quick, before we get into it though, I'm Ian Smith with Evolve Media. We help e-commerce brands create photo and video content that actually converts, whether that's for Amazon, TikTok Shop, or Shopify. If you want a free audit of your content to learn how to convert better or need help building a creator system that drives real sales, head over to evaamz.com and book a free Zoom call with me. Also, feel free to email me directly at ian@evolvemediaagency.com with any questions that you have. Number 1, use your Amazon search term report for messaging, not keywords. Your search term report isn't about SEO for TikTok. It's about learning how shoppers describe what they want. Pull your top 25 converting search terms from your PPC campaigns, then look for patterns in how customers talk about the features in your products. For example, you might see rechargeable neck fan, or non-toxic baby wipes, or collagen powder for hair growth. Those phrases show what buyers value most and what they're thinking when they're typing in the searches. Use those keywords and that specific language to shape your TikTok scripts, your captions, your on-screen text, and overall your video topic. For instance, open a video with the rechargeable fan I use every day at work hook line instead of a generic brand intro. You need to grab attention with keywords that are going to pique their curiosity. It's subtle, but it aligns your content with real buyer intent. Also, you're going to want to split test different hooks across maybe the same video to see which one actually performs better. Number 2, use AI to analyze Amazon reviews for your TikTok hooks. Search terms show you what people want and what they're searching for. Reviews show you more of the back-end thoughts and how they felt when they used your product. You don't even have to use your reviews. Maybe you don't have that much reviews on Amazon. Go look at your competitors that are selling a similar product and use reviews from their listing. You can use a tool like voc.ai. They've been a sponsor on this channel a lot, and you can use this tool to scan thousands of Amazon reviews, yours and your comps, like I mentioned, for emotional patterns, keyword phrases, and all kinds of stuff. That tool is really cool for getting some really good insights from thousands of reviews on Amazon. You can look for recurring phrases like finally, slept through the night, or smells clean, not chemical, or battery actually lasts all day. Those lines make great opening hooks, or at least ideas for opening hooks, voiceover scripts, video text, animations that fly in and out, or creator talking points to premise and create an overall video to talk about. When you use customer language directly, your TikToks instantly feel more authentic and relatable. Number 3, pull lessons from Amazon listing performance. Don't guess what visuals to use. Check your performance data. Go into Brand Analytics or manage your experiments results and look at which main images or A+ content modules convert the best. If lifestyle photos outperform studio shots, film TikToks that show people naturally using your product. Typically, you're gonna see that lifestyle performs better than studio, but you never know. Sometimes videos that don't show a person on camera perform better than somebody holding up the product and doing a whole selfie, talking into it like that. I've definitely tested with both, and I've actually found that product only, not showing me on camera, performs better. If a feature graphic or short demo video converts higher, lead with that feature in your first 3 seconds. That's the most important time. You want to hook, grab their attention, and keep them watching for the next minute or so. Amazon already tells you what's converting. You just need to translate that into short form UGC style content. Number 4, test proven offers across platforms. If you know a 5% coupon or a small bundle discount increases your Amazon conversion rate, test that same offer over on TikTok Shop. TikTok's algorithm rewards consistent conversion rates more than one big spike in just a short-term sales spike, basically. Pair a small, reliable offer with content that blends into the feed, creator clips, real reactions, or quick demos, and your listing will get stronger placement in TikTok's recommendation engine. Number Number 5, build a feedback loop between platforms. Use Amazon data to inspire your TikTok content, then use your TikTok content to drive traffic back to Amazon if you want the sale to happen on Amazon, or even creating content for Amazon. Use them both and you'll find which one converts best. And some stuff may convert best on TikTok, some stuff may convert best on Amazon, and that's okay. But sometimes the same thing that works on TikTok may also work on Amazon. So you just gotta find that out. If a TikTok video starts gaining traction, mention in the caption or comments that it's also available on Amazon. That small mention builds branded search volume over on the Amazon side, which helps your organic ranking on Amazon. Sometimes shoppers also prefer to buy on Amazon instead of TikTok Shop. Not everybody has jumped over and trusts TikTok just yet. You gotta maybe push them and give them an option to buy on Amazon. And if your TikTok content performs exceptionally well, repurpose those top performing clips inside your Amazon A+ content or storefront or listing or as an Amazon search ad. Test around with it. It keeps your message consistent and multiplies your ROI across both platforms. So instead of starting from scratch with TikTok content ideas, open your Seller Central and use that data to dictate what you want to create on TikTok. Your data is already telling you what to make, what to say, and what's working. So if you want help with your Amazon store or your TikTok store or creating content that's gonna sell, reach out to me. Again, that's emaamz.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and book a free Zoom call with me. Again, send me an email if you have any questions, ian@evolvemediaagency.com. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.